Hello. So I'm going to do a math lesson and we're going to be using 5 frames and then 10 frames. You know what a 5 frame is. You don't have one at home, you just make one out of paper. And I think I had sent one home a while ago, but you can just make one. So I'm going to make one on my whiteboard. So I just make a long triangle and then I just divide it into 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 lines makes 5. Let me see if you can see this. Okay, so now I'm going to make another one on this side. It doesn't have to be perfect. Look at how mine came out so crooked, poor thing. Okay, so now I have 2 5 frames. So now let's pretend that I gave you a problem and I said, what is, I'll start with an easy one. What is 3 plus 3? Well, I know you can figure it out with your fingers. You can do it with your fingers. You can use counters, right? But I'm going to show you a way to use it with the 5 frames, okay? All right, so here we go. Sorry for moving the camera back and forth. So I'm going to put 3 on this side. 1, 2, 3. And then, let me grab some more here. And then I am going to put 3 on this side, right? 1, 2, 3. So 3 plus 3. So then what I'm going to do, somebody's at the door. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add them together. Now I could just do this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That'd be your answer. I could bring them together. Remember, because Gus the plus always brings things together. Another way to do it so you can start figuring it out in your mind is if you can visualize a 5 frame, then what I do is I bring this one over and this one over, and now I filled up my 5 frame, and here's what's left over. So now I can just say 5, because I know that's a 5 frame, so I don't have to count them all up. So 5, 6. Get it? Isn't that easy? Isn't that an easy way? Once you start doing it quick in your mind, you'll figure out how easy it can be. All right, so let's try another one together, okay? So I'm going to give you another problem. This one's going to be 4 plus 3. So I put 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry about Fiel, but he saw the UPS driver, so he's barking at him. Okay, so I said 4 plus 3, so now let me put 3 on this side. Notice how I do the yellow side, just to help me remember. So I have 4 plus 3. So what do? I bring this one right away over. So now what do I have? I have 5, 6, 7. Look at that, really quick, right? Let's try another one. Whoa, my board is falling because it doesn't have a good stand. Okay. I wish I could bring the classroom home. Or, you know what would be better? If I could just live in the classroom. I could bring my bed there, and then I could just live there. Oh, yeah, I would need food. But wouldn't it be fun if we could all just stay there during this crazy coronavirus? But I think you'd miss mom and dad, and they would miss you too, right? All right, so let's do another problem. So this next problem's going to be, let's see, 4 plus 5. Actually, let me do, 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. All right, so let me start with a 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, can you see it? So wait a minute. If I have 4 on this one, I could bring this one over here, but this already has 5. So why move it over? So I'm just going to go, ready? Swipe my fingers down and go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bam, I'm done. 4 plus 5 equals 9. All right, let's do another one. I know these look easy, but guess what, guys? What we want to learn to do is we want to be able to, when I say 4 plus 5, you need to go right away and say 9. What's 6 plus 3? 9. What's 4 plus 4? 8. That's what you want to practice, and that's called fluency, and that's what we want you to get. So the way you do it is you do it in your head so you can start knowing it automatically, okay? So let me give you another one. How about if we do 2 and 4, okay? So let me erase this here. I got to be careful because this board is not secure. All right, so 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 equals what? So what's the first thing we do? Remember? Okay, I'm going to put my 2 up here, and I'm going to put my 4 here. So the idea is that eventually you're going to do 5 frames in your head. And so look, I'm not going to bring them all over here. Isn't it easier to fill this one up? So I'm going to fill it up. And what do I say? Slide it down. 5, 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay? So now what I'm going to do, guys, is now I'm going to do it with tens frame. Okay? So now we're going to get a little bit trickier now. So here, whoops, I want to use this side. So see how I have 2 tens frame. Here's one 10 frame, and here's another 10 frame, right? And let's double check in case you're not sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each frame equals 10. Okay, so my first problem now is we're going to use the same idea. We're going to fill up a tens frame when we get a problem. So my first problem is going to be, let me see, 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 equals, okay? Got it? 9 plus 4. So let's fill it up. All right, so help me count. Ready? Now remember, I'm doing this backwards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I need 4 more down here, right? So here's my other tens frame. So I'm going to put 4. 1, let me do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. So one way we could do it is we could just count it all up and then count the rest, right? That's one easy way, but here's a quicker way. So what do you have now? Now you just say 10, 11, 12, 13. So what's 9 plus 4? 13. Isn't that easy? Isn't that fun? Maybe you could have your sister, your brother, or dad or mom, or auntie or grandma, whoever you have with you, give you some problems like this. So I'm going to give you another one, okay? Let me push this all down. And this one's going to be 8 plus 3. Ready? Whoops, I just dropped one. If I don't pick it up, my honey dog Fial will eat it up, chew it up. So it's 8 plus 3. So I'm going to fill up 8 at the top. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then it was 8 plus 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay? Let me remove these so we don't get confused. So what do I do, children? Think for a minute. What should I do? That's right. I'm going to take 2 of these to fill this one up. And then I just say 10, 11. So 8 plus 3 is 11. See how easy this is, guys? So I challenge you to make a tens frame. You can start first with a 5 frame if that's easier for you, and that's okay. But then I want you to challenge yourself with a tens frame also. Now you may be thinking, but I don't have one of those. Well, you don't need to. Just make it on a piece of paper. Make a tens frame and 2 tens frame or 2 5 frames, and then you don't have these, you can use Cheerios. Guess what else you can use? You can use candy. You can use Legos that you have. Use your imagination, okay, guys? So I want to see some of your problems and how you figure them out. Love you all. Shoot me some videos, okay? Bye-bye.